Hey y'all, I wanted to give a quick review on my experience with working with Tidied by Kay. I had her come in and help me with a corner of my room that had kind of always been a problem area for me and my boyfriend. It had like this ugly clear stackable drawer thing. We have a very small closet because we live in a really old house, and if you know anything about old houses, the closets are usually always very small, and I kind of given up on the space. So when she came in, the process, how it works is she comes in and gives you an initial consultation. She confidently kind of looked at the space, and although it intimidated me, she just knew exactly what to do. And it didn't, intimidate her at all. She had plenty of ideas. She asked me a lot of questions about, like my preference, how I like to, make my stuff look. Like for me personally, I don't like a lot of my items to be exposed or out or open, just because it looks cluttered to me. So I like a lot of my things to be covered or tucked away and more aesthetically pleasing, and she really understood that and took that into consideration when organizing my space. So when she came back, first of all, she has an incredible eye for measurements, which is kind of like weird, but it was amazing because she knew exactly where to put everything. She had a bunch of just tools and tricks and I guess tricks of the trade to make sure that every bit of space was utilized. She was extremely detail oriented and extremely thorough, which I appreciate. She actually had me go through every single clothing item, and it really was nice because it made you reconsider the things that you need and don't need. I used to always think that organization services were for people with large homes, and I really realized that it's for everyone, especially if you're in a small house or small space. You kind of need to get more creative with how you utilize your space, and so it was really cool working with her. And I would recommend her to anybody. Large house, big house, or large house, small house, medium-sized house. If you're moving, for sure, you definitely would need her services. So thank you, Kanika.